Merry Christmas, everyone. The tour is beginning on our Christmas adventure through my house. So get ready to see.
But first, Basenji's.
Look at you. Oh my goodness, you're staying up a long time. Wow, for an apple treat. You'll do anything for an apple treat, huh? You were kind of moving off camera set there, you know. Merry Christmas. Yeah, come over here, little boy. Come here, Zinj. Zinj, you gotta get on camera. Get on camera, little boy. And Miss Zulu is blocking the set. I guess it doesn't matter. Look at you. What are you modeling, Zinj? You're doing your tilting of your neck? How far can you go back? You're so cute. You want an apple treat? There you go, little boy. Ow. Okay. Jaws is in the house. No, we know better. We know how to do treats better. We're going to try it again. Let's try it again. All right. Now that is nice. You're going to go down for Mama? No. Sit. Go down for Mama. Down. Oh, he's not going to. You stole it. Ah. You might be getting cold for Christmas. You better watch it. You need to be nice, not naughty. I still love you. All right. Now, look at you. You just love dancing. You are the dancing ballerina Basenji. Come on up. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, now gentle. Show Zinja how it's done. Gentle. Thank you. See, brother, learn from sister. Look at that chomping. So this is a beautiful ornament my cousin Julie gave me, and I just love it. With Joseph and Mary and the donkey and carrying baby Jesus. And then this beautiful Christmas tree I just got on our recent trip to Philadelphia in a village called Peddler's Village, and I just love it. And then this actually is from Norway, and it just is a beautiful Christmas tree within this crystal glass. And then this is a wonderful message for all of us this Christmas season and year-round. Peace, love, and joy to everyone. And then I've been busy making these beautiful diamond dot ornaments to decorate our kitchen cabinets. So I think you'll get to see them. Let me show you this one. Oh yeah, there it is. A wreath. And I'll show you over here. Oh, here's some more messages. Love, peace, joy. And then back to my diamond dots. Here's the candy cane and a Christmas tree and bells up there. And what else can I show you? Oh, there's Zulu and Zinja with the snowman when Daddy makes his coffee in the morning, knowing how much they love him. Here, there's a stocking. And then our friends, in Colorado, when we went to visit them 2 years ago this past June, or it would be 2 years this coming June. And we went to Idaho Springs and they bought this for us, and it's just, we love it. Perfect for the holidays. And then, well, of course, the mistletoe. And then I've got to show you this. Hold on. I got to show you our new runner. And then this is Zulu and Zinja's Christmas tree. Now this used to be Graham and Ginger's, but now it's Zulu and Zinga's. And that's a rock I made during COVID. I was into rock painting. But let me show you these ornaments. They're just gorgeous. I got these when I had graham cracker before Kenny and I got married. And I got these beautiful dog ornaments at Gaylord Hotel in Orlando or Kissimmee. And so here's well, you can't really see it. It's a newspaper, doggy news, and then the fire hydrant, and a doggy bowl, says Fido, and then a bone, and a doggy house with a dog in it, how cute, and one with a paw. How cute is that? And then let's see, what else can I show you? Oh, here's Zinga. Well, that's Zulu in a globe, and then Zinga is on the other side. I don't know whether you could really make it out. And my neighbor, always flowers in the video, my neighbor made this beautiful Christmas arrangement, and I just love it so much. And then today, we just got this beautiful Ghirardelli package from my friend Susan in Atlanta. We haven't opened it up yet, but we love chocolate. And our other neighbor, oh, they're so sweet. But look at this. It plays. I can't play it all because, you know. It's a beautiful bell. And then, oh my goodness, this is where we keep track of the 25 days to Christmas. And we've been changing it. Kenny and I take turns changing the star. And yeah, we're getting close. And then, oh, my friend Mario, right now he's homeless, but he makes these and sells them. And he gave this to me the other day when I brought him a Christmas gift from Kenny and I and the doggies. We gave him cookies and a blanket. This is a reminder for us to always believe for the best in this world. It can be hard, but believe. That's when miracles happen. And that is where we celebrate Jesus, the birth of Jesus. That was a miracle. And then look at this. How cool is this? Oh, I've got, once again, the reminder for all of us. They're just beautiful. Peace, believe, and joy. And then there's another up there. Let the peace of Christ rule in your hearts. Oh, we have our beautiful lights that are strung. And then I got bells up here. I just got this ornament in at a women's luncheon. We each had to bring an ornament. It was wrapped up. I didn't know what I was gonna get. And this is actually from, I think it's from Poland. Wow, it's very unique. We had to look it up, but it's extremely unique. And then here's our Christmas tree. Oh, it's just, I love it. We just got it this year. I think it's a dogless fir, and it was just so much fun decorating it. Merry Christmas. I just got this new nativity. I got this from BJ's. I cannot believe it. I mean, it was like less than $20. I cannot believe it. It's just gorgeous. And I love it. And these Christmas trees are from my aunt. She's passed away in October of 2019, but I just adore them and love them. And then these are our stockings. So that's my stocking. And it's already got presents in it. I'm so excited. And then here's Kenny's. Oh, he might have coal in there. It's empty. Anyway, so that's that. And then we have our Christmas cards. We just love it. Oh, look at that up there. There's a doggy. And then there's the Basenji again, the tricolor. Once again, Merry Christmas. This flag that we got, it has beautiful bears. Oh, we got this in North Carolina on our August trip. But here are Let It Snow, Santas. And then here's our villages. I love this. This is a new one. We just got this a couple weeks ago. It's the coffee house. Kenny and I love coffee. There's a house. I'll come back to that in a minute. This one is brand new. We just got it. It's a dance hall. So, you know, people are in there dancing. And then this is the theater. They're just so beautiful. We love this. We pretty much keep them up year round. There's a pet store. And then here's a fire station and a schoolhouse. Once again, there's like little people in there. And then this is the church. And then here is a train station. And this is a post office. And then a gas station. Gotta have a gas station in the village. And then we're gonna move over here to the rest of the village. There's a flower shop. I love this one. I've had it for a long time. We just got this one. This is an inn. Kenny and I love to stay at, we just stayed at a bed and breakfast up in Philly. 2 different bed and breakfasts, so it was a great memory. And then this is City Hall. This is a public library. Oh my goodness, it's so cool. And then this is a lighthouse. So that is our villages. So I'm gonna just kind of show you again so that you can see them. I'll show you again. Just so that you can really appreciate them. They're just so cool. There's the church. Oh, and then here you go. Okay, I'm gonna come back to that. And then here's that. Now this is just so cool. A light up lantern, and it's just glittery, and it's just magical. And there's our little penguin. Oh, yeah, here's our stockings. This is the tri, representing the tri, and we put Zinga up there, his ornament. And then this is the red and white Basenji, and we put Zulu Joy up there. This is celebrating and remembering Ginger Snap and Graham Cracker. And you guys might remember this. Where is it? From last year. Isn't he funny? Look at him. He's so happy. We wish you a Merry Christmas and thank you for watching Basenji Adventures. We love you and appreciate you. Bye.